Hey guys, welcome back to another What I Wore. So my very first outfit, I'm so excited to announce this is my creation with Lily Silk. This took ages because this beautiful wildflower silk floral print I had to find, design and everything. So it is a silk chiffon maxi with another added layer of silk inside, so it's, you know, not too see-through, but very easy breezy. Elasticated waist. You've got the option of removing this belt if you want. V-neck because I think it is more flattering on the neckline, but not too low. And yeah, I really hope you like it. By the time this video goes live, it will be released. So I'll leave my code down below if you wanted to get it. But yeah, it took 2 years in the making. My own original print, so I hope you love it as much as I do. And I'm wearing it with sneakers, which are my Roger Vivier sneakers, super comfortable. So whether you're tall or average height like me, it will be fine. And then I have got my Hermes Mini Evelyn in Mauve Sylvester in Clemence leather. And then for my jewelry, I'm wearing my ideal 14 karat white gold pear diamond pendant, which I love. And then these earrings, which were one of the first I got in white gold. I love ideal earrings. They're just, I don't know, really subtle, matches this. Oh, you can wear this the other way as well. And it's lab-grown diamonds. And if you want something exclusive, click my link down below because you're gonna get a free gift, but you can still use my 10% off. But anyway, that is my first look for today. So Budapest was the perfect backdrop to take my styled photo for my botanical maxi dress that I designed for Lily Silk. Here are just some close-ups of the floral detail. If you don't own an Hermes Evelyn, I highly recommend it. I use mine so much. And even at the end of the dress, it's slightly tiered. So it's 100% silk chiffon. Okay, so day 2 of what I wore. I am super casual because we're going to Central Market and it's going to be bustling, no air conditioning, lots of food stores, souvenirs. Anyway, I'm wearing this 100% cotton dress. It's very well priced. I think it's under $50. I'll link it below. Love this tie knot detail. And then I'm wearing my Viveya wedges. Again, very comfortable. And to match my shoes, I said I would bring a wicker bag. So I'm bringing my Gucci Marmont wicker bag. Then I've got my Gentle Monster sunnies on. And yeah, just some ideal studs because we may be going to the thermal pools. Not sure, it's so hot, so we'll see how we go. So that is my complete look. So we actually did end up going to the Budapest thermal pools, definitely a must do. Just quickly wanted to mention my one-piece swimsuit. I love this one. It's got cutouts in the right place and it's sexy yet still elegant. So my outfit for today in this beautiful location, it's quite Parisian here. So I am wearing this gorgeous embroidered white cream dress. I've worn this in one of my videos previously. It's from Goelia. If I still have a discount code, I'll link it below. But super breezy, so comfortable. My Hermes Kelly belt, which goes with everything. This is my favorite belt. I own it in 4 colors. My Fendi shoes, love them. They kind of goes with the tan. I'm wearing LV earrings. I love this mother of pearl finish and how you can flip it. It's a bit 3-dimensional. These might be, I don't own that many LV earrings, but I just love the mother of pearl. And then my bag is a vintage Celine macadam crossbody bag. I've got this from Farfetch it's from Japan. But yeah, it is well used and loved, but I don't mind. So this is what it looks like worn on the shoulder. And that is my look for today.
So another outfit that I wore, which I didn't show in my vlogs, I didn't vlog every single day, but we did end up going to dinner, and I wore my keyhole silk dress that I designed for Lily Silk. It also does come in a lilac floral print as well. I've just got my perspex sandals and I paired it with my YSL clutch, and I just love the little keyhole tie detail. A slip dress is always a must.
Hi guys, so first outfit in Munich. I'm wearing this beautiful pink long Rixo dress. Today is a little bit colder. It's sort of like drizzling, but and a little bit rainy, but still we're gonna enjoy it. And then I'm carrying my Marc Jacobs micro tote. I've done a comparison on all the sizes, so if you're interested in that, I will link it above. And then I'm wearing my Gucci pink Marmont shoes. They don't make it this color anymore, but they still make the black. I love these. I own these in 3 colors. And then I'm wearing these Swarovski Dextera earrings. Love these. I'm really enjoying Swarovski at the moment. If they have a store here, I'll try vlog it because I reckon they might have a better selection here, maybe. But anyway, that is my look for today. Another day in Munich. This time the weather is gorgeous. So I'm outside the Residence Museum. We're just about to go in. So let me show you my outfit. I'm wearing this We Are Kindred long sleeve dress. We Are Kindred is an Australian brand. Love that it has pockets. And I'm carrying my Gucci wicker bag again. Love this bag so much. It goes with everything. And then I'm wearing my Hermes Oasis sandals in orange. Very comfortable in the Epsom leather. I'm wearing my sweet Alhambra Van Cleef & Arpels necklace. And on my ears I have some very old Chanel costume jewelry earrings in kind of like a lighty pink color because it kind of has this pinky peachy tone. And yeah, on my hand I've just got a Missouri ring. So I can't wait to check this place out. So let's go. Alright, so just a very quick outfit of the day. It's actually more temporary for now because we're going across the street to a vintage store. So I'm wearing my parachutey blue water resistant shirt and pants, which I bought from Korea last year. Again, my Rogette VA shoes. I really need these in another color. My Marc Jacobs mini tote bag. This has been so handy. It's gotten wet and I've just wiped it off. And some Hermes costume jewelry earrings. Yes, so we're gonna go vintage shopping and then come back to the hotel for a bit, get changed, and then maybe go luxury shopping. I think hubby wants to check out some watches.
So I forgot to show you this outfit. We did actually go back and change, and then I went shopping at Chanel, which was such a fabulous experience. And here I'm wearing a 3-piece Goelia set. So comfortable. So the inner vest comes with the short sleeve blazer. Just a gorgeous neutral. I'm wearing my Chanel sandals and my vintage Diana flat bag. And it was just a very classy outfit to wear to Chanel. Okay, so just quickly to show you, this is my outfit for today. I'm wearing my MIM skirt. You guys know this is my collab with Lily Silk. I wear it so much. Wearing an Hermes tee I got years ago, some Hermes earrings, and my comfy Chanel shoes again. And I forgot to mention my OOTD was actually done at the Fendi Munich store. And I met one of my subbies who is Christian. He was so lovely, so helpful. And of course, I came away with quite a few goodies. And if you haven't seen my Europe vlog, I will link it above. But yeah, it was just a great day of shopping at Fendi. Okay, I forgot to show you my very casual outfit for today. So this was, I wanted to be comfy on the train ride. We checked into Vienna and then on Sunday, everything closes really early. So we're going to go to dinner now. But I just wore some very casual sort of like grey pants,
This is my black and white Goelia top, which is really comfortable, and the weather is quite cold at the moment. Oh, on my ears I have my Ideal hoops. I love these. This has been so good for the trip because I've just been able to mix and match. And this is my Dior scarf, which I bought years ago in Paris, and probably one of my most used scarves. And then on my feet, again, no surprise, my Roger Vivier shoes. So very, very casual outfit for dinner. And then we still need to plan what we're going to do in Vienna for the next few days. So I'm in the Palace Gardens for my OOTD of today. We've just come from a tour of Schönbrunn Castle, and it's pretty cold, but inside it was really hot, so I had to take this off. So I have borrowed hubby's Dior cardigan, which he loves, right?
I love it.
And he's got my Dior shawl actually, but I bought this in Hawaii a couple of years ago. I've got my MIM 2-in-1 singlet, lace singlet that I did for Lily Silk. Again, I wear that so much. And then just some simple step hem jeans, my Roger Vivier shoes again because yeah, it's wet today. And then my YSL envelope clutch, which I have used as a walk because yeah, I have my insert in there that I collaborated with Samorga on. You can still buy it, and it basically converts the clutch into like a walk. So that is my look for today. Oh, and my Tiffany rose gold hardware earrings. So that is my look for today.
The Schönbrunn Castle is majestic. It takes a while to go through, so definitely allow a couple of hours. The gardens are beautiful, the buildings are beautiful, the architecture is beautiful. We just loved the whole experience.
It is pretty cold here in Vienna, so I'm wearing some pants. I love these black pants. They really elongate the leg, and I really like this front slit. So this is just from Goelia. Been wearing a lot of their pieces recently. This is my MIM 2-in-1 cami in fuchsia. I wear these singlets, as you know, so much. Very appropriate because it is in Barbie pink. And this is just an old Zara shirt that just happens to go with my MIM singlet really well. And then on my ears, I'm wearing some Ideal dangly earrings. As I said, I love them. Solid 14 karat white gold. And then I'm also wearing this pear-shaped diamond necklace, which I've just worn the other way around for a more modern take, though you can wear it vertically as well. That's how versatile their pieces are. And then finally wearing my Mini Kelly in Rose Extreme. It is a great bag to wear today because it's kind of rainy, and Epsom is fine in the rain. I've had this caught in the rain, not a downpour, but it's fine even if it gets a few raindrops in there. So that is my complete look for today, and we are heading to check out some outlets because in Australia we don't have like so many designer factory outlets, so thought we'll take the opportunity to check the one out in Vienna. So that is my look.
So these designer outlets are about half an hour from Vienna, really easy access. They had a huge Gucci store, lots of product, and yeah, it was just very interesting to see between outlet only and store sent product. I'll link the video up there which shows the full vlog, but I definitely recommend you checking out outlets. You can find some great pieces, and I definitely did come back with a few goodies.
Hi guys, so outfit for today in the food market. We are trying this bun which has poppy seeds, but let me show you my outfit. So this is from Free People, very easy breezy, perfect for today. I'm wearing my By Far sandals, super comfortable, bit of bling. This is my Chanel seasonal, it's not officially the square flap, but it's like it. I love the enamel buckle, I bought this from Hawaii. And then I've got my Van Cleef Sweet Alhambra necklace on and my Magic Alhambra white mop earrings. I have got my Gentle Monster sunglasses. And let's try this. It's cold, it's quite interesting, look. It's quite sweet, hubby.
So overall, we had the best time in Europe and it was just the perfect end to our trip. I hope you enjoyed seeing all the different outfits and how I styled my designer bags and shoes. If you like these type of videos, please give it a thumbs up. And as a bonus for outfit number 15, I always like to be comfortable when I travel, so I'm just wearing my grey cotton pants, a cotton singlet and my Gucci cardigan. The bag I brought was my Foray Lepage Daily Battle Tote in size 41, which was so handy. And of course I did take a Hermes bag along, which was my Kelly 28, and she is called Miss Pearly. If you want to see how I packed everything and all my designer bags and shoes, I've got a video linked above. But thank you so much for watching. Have a fabulous day or night, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye guys!